All right, so now we're going to look at the instructions for task number 2. Task number 2 is a little bit different. So when you go down to task number 2, you'll see that it's a close reading activity. So you're going to read the article carefully, and you're going to read through the questions on the back and then look back through the article to try to answer them. What you're going to do is you're going to look for one-word answers to these questions. So when you scroll down, this is the article. And when you get down to the end, you've got 10 questions down here. Okay, so in addition to housing shortages, what type of poor conditions did migrants face? So you're looking for something that is stated as a poor condition. So you're going to go back to the text and try to find something that was listed that there was a poor condition for. Find another word for illegal or illicit. So think about things that were happening in this document that were illegal, and try to find words that they use to describe it. So each one is going to be one word. If it's naming a person, you're going to use the last name only. So if it is Billie Holiday, you're not going to write Billie Holiday. You're going to write Holiday. So just the last name. So now when we go back up to that sheet, you'll notice that all of the options are the same length. You don't have to fill up all of those boxes. The word will fill up what it's going to fill up. But you are going to write your letters over the top of these gray boxes. Because ultimately what will happen by the end, once you have all of your answers, is these boxes should line up to create 2 code words. So this number 1 will be in the first box, number 2 gray box will be in the second box, 3, 4, 5, and so on. You should end up with 2 words. If you don't see 2 distinct words, you maybe have a wrong answer somewhere and you're going to want to go back. If you get stuck, know that all of the words are in there somewhere in some way. A couple of the ones that people have gotten stuck on, I just want to kind of make a point of those really quickly. Pretty consistently, we've had some confusion about what poor conditions means. Look for the words between poor and conditions. As far as illegal or illicit, think like, what do we call a movie that is recorded on your phone, like you recorded it in the movie theater and then you post it on the internet? What kind of movie is that? What type? They're going to be discussing alcohol when they bring up this word. So what is that word for illegal? Number 4, give rights to. This is a long word. It starts with an E and it's 4 syllables. Let's see, other ones that we've struggled with a little bit. Find a synonym in the text for supporter. This word starts with P-R-O-P, and the word is in the text. Most of the other ones have been relatively simple for students to figure out. Those have been the ones that have been consistently the most difficult for students. Now, again, notice this series of symbols here that could help you with meaning later on. And that is our instructions for number 2.